So it's a cold, snowy day here in Canada. And on a snowy, cold day, this calls for some nice hot soup. I've decided to cook some chicken soup with chicken foot. Here's all my ingredients. Right here, I have some already washed, chopped, clean vegetables. Right here are some chocho, one large turnip. Over here I have some carrot and corns, 3-pack cock soup, some pimento seed, 4 cloves of garlic, onions, scallion, thyme, green pepper, pumpkin. Yeah, that's all my vegetables and herbs. Right here are some already chopped clean chicken with some chicken foot. Now to my pot of boiling water, I'm gonna add the chicken along with the chicken foot. Let this boil for 30 minutes, then I'll add the rest of my ingredients. To our next pot, I'm gonna add the pumpkin. This will allow the pumpkin to boil out completely, so I can get that distinct color. Now after 20 minutes, the pumpkin has boiled out completely. Now I'm gonna add it to the chicken and chicken foot. Check out that nice orange color from the pumpkin, guys. The soup looks so pretty. Then I'll add some garlic. That's 4 cloves of garlic. Give it a stir again, cover it, and let this cook for another 15 minutes. Then I'll add the rest of my ingredients. Now I'm gonna add to the pot some Irish potatoes, followed by some sweet potatoes. Now I'm gonna add some yellow yam, followed by some turnip. And now I'm gonna add some chocho, followed by some corn and some carrots. Give this a stir and let this cook for 15 minutes. Then I'll add the rest of my ingredients. To this bowl, I'm gonna sieve 2 cock soup mix and 1 chicken soup mix. I do not like the noodle in my soup, so that's the reason why I'm sieving all the cock soup mix and chicken soup mix. I really prefer it this way, you know, a smooth soup. Now to the pot, I'm gonna add some pimento berries / allspice berries, followed by some chopped onion, a bunch of thyme, some green onions, and 1 Scotch bonnet pepper. Give this a stir. Then I'll add my cock soup mix. Now it's time to add the cock soup mix. Now I'm gonna give this a stir once again and let this cook down for 10 minutes. Then I'll add the rest of my ingredients. In the meantime, I'm gonna make some dumplings. I'm using 2 cups of flour, 1/2 cup of cornmeal, a teaspoon of salt. Give this a stir. Then it's time to form the dough. And there you have it, my dough is formed. Now it's time to make some dumpling to drop in the soup. Yeah, man. I'll be making both round dumplings and spinner's dumplings for the soup. Now to the pot, I'm gonna add a teaspoon of garlic powder, followed by a tablespoon of Maggi all-purpose mix, and a teaspoon of salt, followed by 1 stick of salted butter. You know butter make everything's better. And a teaspoon of black pepper. Give this a stir, let it cook for another 10 to 15 minutes, then my soup should be done. And here it is. My chicken soup is done. Check out the color, guys. This smells so delicious. Stay tuned for the end results. And now it's time for plating. And here it is, chicken with chicken foot soup. Please like, share and subscribe for more. One love. Bless.